Hello everybody, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to look into topological sorting. This topological sorting can only be applied to a directed graphs, which means that the graphs which have a direction towards the nodes. This directed graphs gives an ordering of vertices after sorting. Okay, this topological sorting for directed acyclic graph gives a linear ordering of vertices such that the directed edge u to v vertices u comes before v in the order. That means here u comes always before the v. That's what the definition is saying here. As I said before, the topological sorting cannot be applied to a cyclic graphs. Here for doing this topological sorting, we have two methods. It can be done by depth first search, DFS, and by source removal algorithm. Let's look into our depth first search. Here in depth first search, that is DFS, is an algorithm used for traversing graph data, that is each node, until you reach to an end point, and from that point, from that end point we need to do backtracking to check if there is any unvisited nodes are there or not. In this DFS algorithm, we need to traverse from root node to the end. That is, we have to traverse to the depth of the tree until we reach an end point. After reaching to an end point, we need to do backtracking to check if there is any unvisited nodes are there or not. If there are unvisited nodes, then we have to do again DFS. Okay, let's take an example to understand this. Now, I have taken this graph. First of all, we have to check either we have any cycle in this graph or not. If there is no cycle forming, then we can do further sorting. You can see there is no cycle here, right? So, here we can start either from this node or from this node, right? From this node, I am considering these two these two nodes into a stack first. C1 and C2. From C1, we need to traverse towards C3. From C3, we can go either towards C4 or else towards C5. I am going towards C4. Now C4. And now C5. C5. And now we have reached to an end. We have no nodes to further, right? We have to stop here. Now when we have reached to an end point, now we have to pop these elements from the stack. Then we will get a topological sorting order. If we pop these elements out, we will get the ordering as C5, C4, C3, C1, C2, or else C2 or C1, whichever we can take. Now you can see that if we move from C2, we have to traverse towards C3 and towards C2 and C5. We will get this order, right? Then there is no endpoint. From here we are getting a new ordering, right? I'm going to write this order also. It is from C2 we are going to C3, C3 to C4, C4 to C5. You may get any number of orderings while sorting. The topological sorting will be topological order. Order we will get. We have got two orders. We have to consider these two orders. That is C5 to C4, C3, C1, C, and another one is C2, C3, C4, C5. These are the two orders we got from this graph. Now let's discuss source removal method. In this method also we have to check if our graph have any cycle or not. If it is forming any cycle, the topological sorting on that graph will not be possible. Here I have taken this graph here. First of all, we have to check if any cycle is forming or not. Here you can see there is no cycle forming here in this graph. And the second step is, here we have to check the incoming and outgoing edges, the number of incoming and outgoing edges. That is in degree and out degree of each node. In degree means the number of edges coming towards each node, and out degree means the number of edges going out from the each node. Here we have to calculate that first. Here on A we have no in degree or no edge coming towards A, so the in degree of this node will be 0. Again to this B we have 3 incoming edges. That means the in degree of this B node is 3. This C have no incoming edge, so the in degree of C will be 0. Then the in degree of D is 2 because we have 2 edges coming towards this node D. Now we have to remove each node, and we have to consider our sorting list of each node. It is topological order. Now we have to remove those nodes first which have less in degree or 0 in degree.